Hello, my friends. Well, I had some paint left over from the ring and ribbon I recently did. So I'm going to use that up. I mixed some extra white and then I scraped up everything that was on the surface, blended it all together and came up with this color, which is, it's a kind of a nice color, but I don't know. I think it'll be okay with those. I mean, they're all in here, so it should go well together. And then I'm just going to do a pour, not ring and ribbon. So it'll be kind of a companion piece for that one. But first, let me tell you something really fun happened today. I ordered a bunch of canvases a while back, and I didn't need them right away, so it was at least a month that the box sat unopened. And when I opened it today to get this canvas out, I discovered that I had ordered pouring paints. These ready-mix pouring paints. I ordered about 8 of them, and oh, their colors are so pretty. And I forgot all about them. That's one of the perks of getting older. When you forget things, it's it was a surprise, so that was fun. So I look forward to using them. Let me know if you've used these before. Master's Touch pre-mixed pouring acrylics. Let me know what you think and what you like with them or what you don't like about them. So, here we go. I'm going to add this ugly color towards the, I shouldn't say ugly, towards the end because I just don't know how I'm going to like that. So here we go. Start the white again. I don't recall what order I used last time. I hope I have enough paint. But I had leftover, so I didn't need as much as I had last time. I always like purple and green together, so I'll put those side by side. And maybe I'll throw some of this questionable color in there. Maybe some more. Cushion it in white. Oh, I did knock it over. I almost did it in the last video, and I did knock it over this time, but fortunately there wasn't that much left in there. Okay. I can't think of anything interesting to say, so feel free to fast forward while I fill this up. I'll put the details, colors, and the recipe I'm using in case you missed the last one, as always, in the description box. Okay, and all right, I'll use the rest of this around the puddle. Okay. I'm going to pour really close to the surface. The last time I did, I started high up, and then when I went down low, I think I really liked the effect. So I'm going to go very close to the surface, and I'm going to kind of do an S shape, or a serpentine shape as I pour. So let's see what happens. I guess I'm doing kind of circular. Oh, it's a lot of white. I don't know that I'm going to like this. I better come up. This is not the way I generally operate at all. Oh, that's pretty. That's too bad. It's on the edge there. That's terrible. What to do? Maybe I'll pour some of this over here so perhaps I can preserve that pretty part. And who knows, you know, this could turn out nice over here. It's looking doubtful, but okay. Yeah, I don't care for that. I hope something magical happens when I tilt it. We'll see. Start with the good part. That's the only part I like of this so far. I really like it. That's a shame. I don't care for that at all. Don't do that. Don't do what I did. Okay, well, let's see. I like that. This is kind of nice. It's interesting as far as color goes, but this is not good. I don't know how much more I can tilt. I'm going to try to come this way. Turn it towards you. Well, that's turning a little interesting. This is too straight for me. I've got to either get rid of it or change it up. Okay, now what have we got? It's reminding me of something. I wonder if I can... I'm going to take a skewer and do some curly Q kind of things. That's not something I usually like doing, but I will try it now because I'm at the point where I need to experiment to save this. So let's start with a skewer. Maybe I'll start in the middle. No, start on the outside. It didn't really matter. And I don't know. I actually like that. Do all different sizes of them. Maybe I should just do the whole thing, but would that be overkill? Probably. I think I'll just have I'll start with just a section where it runs through the center. Oh my gosh, I don't know why I've been opposed to this before. I guess I thought it was kind of gimmicky, but I love the way that looks. Forgive me for feeling that way. Oh, I wish I had this dark in here, though. That's the only spot. Let's see if I can scrape a little more of that dark blue there. And no, it didn't work that well. It's better. I don't like having okay. Now, what to do? You know what? I'm just going to put them here and there. gosh, I can't believe that I've never done this before, that I was opposed to doing this. I love it. Wow, I like this one a lot. That's my favorite one. Do I want one over here? Now this looks boring. Just maybe one more. Just floating. Just off center a little. Yeah, one more to tie the two sides together. Otherwise, I think it looks a little goofy. Well, it's an improvement, certainly. Oh my gosh, there's kind of it almost looks dragon-like. Let me turn it this way. Just kind of dragon feel to it, like the eye there and the scales and all. I'm not unhappy with it. Touch that up there a little bit. Wow. Well, that was fun. That'll be probably the new go-to to forget the balloon. For me, I just never had luck with the balloon. Rarely. But this is very simple and effective. Let me bring you in a little closer. That's a good one there, huh? Huh. Okay. I like it. Okay, folks, sorry for my babbling. I just didn't expect to get a result like this that I'm happy with when I poured that thing out. So I hope you like it and let me know. Thanks for watching.